Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday session Importance of Forest. Earlier we have discussed many points about our natural resources. Class 7th, Standard 7th. This lesson is very important for all of you. So it is my advice to read twice or thrice at a home because many micro information is added here or given here. Let us look about the importance of forest. Forests are very useful in the life of a man because it is giving two products, primary and secondary products to us. Many people based living on the economical structure of the forest only, especially Adivasi people, those who are living in forest, they are earning from there. Environmentally, it is also beneficially for our country. Boats and steamers are made from the wood of the Sundari of Sundarban forest. Basket, mat, toys, furniture, artistic things are made from bamboo. Brooms are made from palm and date leaves. Kechu is made from the kechu trees, which is pan shop it is used. Paper pulp, paper we are writing, it is made from the deodar trees. Turpentine is made from the cheed trees. Tea boxes, matchstick, sports equipment, cricket bat. You know, cricket bat is made from the one of the finest deodar trees in Jammu and Kashmir area. Artificial fibers, filament, also made from cheed trees and deodar trees. Sealing wax, varnish, ink for printing. Electronic devices and gramophones, natural sources available from the forest only. Conservation. Conservation of forest means how to protect the forest. Dear students, cutting down of a tree is forbidden. Severe punishment is given to those who cut the trees illegally. Even then, human being is continuously doing this activity and as a result forests are decreasing. This is the main world ecological problem. Australia's government has developed special plan to motivate tree planting because forests are burning out there now. Our Indian culture is very vast in it. Day by day, forests are growing more and more. Trees should be grown on the wasteland and people should be motivated towards afforestation. Sources like solar energy, biogas, wind energy, and other renewable sources of energy should be used. You can see near the Bhavani temple, many wind energy plant is set up by one company. Why it is set up? Because it is useful as a renewable source. This source will help us. Many forest research institute established to develop the forest scientifically. Environment should be created that compels every Indian to work responsibility towards the protection of the forest. To cut a tree is kill a man. Cutting trees lead to the killing life. If we cut the tree, then our human beings' life sustainable is not possible. We will face many problems afterwards. But very rare people understand this and managing this and working for saving the environment. Nowadays, we can see that these points are very important to understand. The wildlife resource, minimum 10 planting trees in your city or village is useful to develop medicines, herbal life in your regular way. That is why in school Eco Club is established. Eco Club is there. This Eco Club's work is developing campaign towards the students to develop the project work of a tree planting. If you have done it in your home or house garden, then it is good. You can share your idea with me, or else we shall keep certain programs for doing this. Then on the forest, many wildlife is available. It is a different. Wildlife of India is very varied. In Asia, we have the great source of a wildlife. For example, near to Mova's Sasangir, Asiatic Lion Sanctuary is the world best. Many foreign tourists are also coming to see this. This is our speciality, dear students. We have to keep this in our mind. The variety of wildlife found in India increases the natural beauty of the country. Elephants are found in Karnataka, Kerala, and Assam, and it is the largest mammal of India. They used to carry wood, other goods from one place to another in the forest. The one horned rhinoceros found in India, unique animal. It is the unique animal. Next, we shall talk more about these points. Till then, I request you all of you to read the lesson minimum 2 to 3 times as I told you. Thank you.